Manufacturing and trade has a massive effect on a country's economy, yet the ways in which buyers connect with manufacturers are still quite ancient in its methods, and the industry as a whole hasn't really developed that much in this regard. I used to work as a buyer, and I know firsthand the challenges that come with product sourcing and specifically finding the manufacturer that's best for your product. And I guess this is why I started Sourcing Playground, to be able to help buyers find new manufacturers for their products.
This is the aim of Sourcing Playground. With Sourcing Playground, we aim to connect buyers and manufacturers through a very simple and streamlined process. Buyers can post a project on the website and compare like-for-like quotes from manufacturers from all around the world. With this method, not only buyers can get the best price, but they can also find the manufacturers wherever they are and get the best match for the products they need to source.
Rather than buyers searching for manufacturers, suppliers come to them with their offers and quotations. There are no other platforms that give easy access to buyers looking for manufacturers across different product categories and countries, and what we really aim to do is give buyers more possibilities of working with the best manufacturers for their products and saving them time and money in the process.
In a short amount of time, we have already signed up hundreds of buyers and suppliers to the current platform, mostly in the fast-moving consumer goods industry. This has allowed us to prove the concept and make sure that we can move forward and develop it further.